Now, the easiest way to share documents, websites, PowerPoints, or anything else on your computer is to just share your monitor. Come in here where it says share document, left click this arrow, and then you're going to left click your monitor where it says share my desktop. Once you do this, you're going to see the Meet actually disappear, and once my computer can handle it, you'll see it disappear. And so currently I have this web page up. If I want, I can minimize it, and so they would just see your desktop. Let's say, for example, we wanted to share a Excel document. You would click the Excel document just like you would if you were looking at the computer screen yourself. It's going to come up, and everyone that's in the meeting is going to see exactly what you're seeing. So now they would see this new Excel document. Now, let's say, for example, I wanted to share a new website. All I would do is just start up an internet page, just like you would if you were going to view the internet. Internet page comes up, and they will see exactly what you're seeing. So let's say that you wanted to take the students to a school homepage. Really, all you're doing is everything that you already know how to do on your own computer. Now, because it's being shared through the monitor, through your desktop screen, you don't have to do anything else. It's already there. You already know how to use and move everything. If you want to show a PowerPoint, you just pull up the actual PowerPoint document. Say, for example, here we want to create or if you already had one PowerPoint made, you just open up the PowerPoint. And even if you go full screen, it's still going to share that full screen. Because remember, whatever you see as yourself, the students are also seeing. Now, up here at the top, this is our sharing tool. Notice if I pull my mouse away, it minimizes again. This is to make it easier for you to see the screen, to see what you're actually working with. So you put your mouse back up, and it comes back down. Now, if you wanted to pause people from seeing what you're doing, just left click the pause button. You'll notice it now says paused, so you know that no one else can see your screen currently. Left click it again, and you've resumed sharing. Now, while you're sharing your whole screen, you can left click this participants button if you want a list of everyone that's within the meeting. You can left click it again to make it disappear. If you wanted to chat with any of the participants, you left click this chat button. And then now, over here in the chat window, in this box, you could possibly say hello, for example, or type anything you want, just using your keyboard. Come over here to send, left click send, and everyone will be able to see that I said hello. If I wanted that chat box to go away, just left click this chat button again. If I wanted to start recording, just left click the record button. And now the most useful so far is this annotate. Left click the annotate button, and we're going to get a tool set that will appear for us to actually start annotating onto the screen, just like we did for our whiteboard. So this is our annotation tool set. Notice it's similar. We still have the pointer, text box, line, rectangle, pencil. Right now it's selected on marker or highlighter, the colors, erasers, and now we have a new thing called screen capture. So if we want to take a picture of what everyone was looking at, we just left click this. Now notice these little small down arrows next to each. This is to get additional options. So I'm going to go ahead and left click this so I can choose the pencil option as a finer point. So now I can start annotating. Just hold down the left click button. Start drawing, say, hey, oh, look at this cool title. If I wanted to annotate whatever's on the screen, I just start doing so. If I wanted to add text, just start typing in text, and again we have our pointer tool. If my computer will let me point with it. There we go. To point to anything that we need to. And now if we are done annotating, we just come over here, click stop annotating, left click. And it will clear all of those annotations. And if we want to stop sharing our screen altogether, we can pull down this tool pan again, and then just left click, stop sharing. And notice that it brings us right back to our meeting page.